All right. So our topic for today will be how to create a product listing. Okay. Yan. So on this video, I will show you how to create a product listing on a live Amazon Seller Central. So forgive me kasi yung Seller Central access lang na binigay ko sa inyo, that's a deactivated account. So hindi kayo makapag-create ng listing doon, and syempre to protect na rin our client. Okay, kasi syempre hindi tayo basta-basta pwedeng humawak ng live accounts. Okay, so yan, alright. So okay, so to begin with, syempre, okay, so dapat meron na tayong list ng ating mga ginawa lang sa mga product title, back-end keywords. Okay, so ito na yung list natin. Okay, and bullet points. Alright, so let's say for example na lang is ito ang gagamitin natin, yung kitchen knife. Okay, kitchen knife. Okay, so we will go to Seller Central. This is a live one. Okay, alright, then go to catalog, add product. Okay, add product natin, let's say I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Okay, okay, so discard na lang natin to. Alright, so ngayon, so start tayo. So let's say kitchen knife ang ating ating product, kitchen knife. Okay, search lang natin dito. Okay, makikita nyo iba't ibang category. Okay, yan, so tignan natin yung pinaka kitchen and dining. Okay, so let's say for example, select natin to, kitchen knife set. Okay, yan. Alright, okay, so ngayon on this part sa product identity, makikita nyo naman. Okay, so it will ask kung meron siyang variation, okay, or wala. Okay, yan, so for example, so wala muna tayong variation. Medyo magulo kasi pag may variation. Okay, so item name, lagay lang natin dito sa kitchen knife. Yan, so ito na yung makikita nyo mismo pagka kayo nag-create ng product listing, itong part na to. This is the latest dashboard as well. Okay, kitchen knife. Then brand name, let's say wala siyang brand, o let's say generic. Okay, okay, so this product does not have a brand name. Alright, so ngayon invento lang tayo dito. Okay, para makapag-proceed tayo sa next page. So external product ID, let's say 4567. Yan, kunwari ito ang kanyang UPC. Okay, pili na ng UPC. Alright, and then continue. But before we continue, okay, what if ang ating product is pasok siya sa G10 exemption? Okay, so ngayon pwede nyo itong i-click si I don't have a product ID, but you have to apply first for a G10 exemption. Okay, so that's a different topic. Okay, yung G10 exemption medyo detalyado siya. Marami siya mga requirements na kinukuha. Okay, but for this example, sa pag-create ng product listing, proceed tayo sa continue. Okay, so let's continue. Alright, so you can see ito na ang ating vital info. Okay, vital info. Alright, so lahat ng mga may exclamation mark na yan dapat is meron siyang fill. Okay, so product description, let's say punta tayo dito. Okay, pwede natin ilagay ito. So ilagay natin si product description. Kunti lang lagay natin. Let's say ito lang. Yan. Okay, alright. Okay, and then gusto nyo magdagdag, okay, and add more lang kayo. Alright, now the bullet points. Okay, so bullet points is, okay, so tayo dito, let's say ito lang ating bullet points, lagay lang siya, and then pag mag-add lang kayo ng bullet points, guys, okay, so hanggang ano lang yan, 5. Okay, so make sure na ma-maximize nyo yung 5. Yan, hindi na kayo pwede mag-add dyan. Ba't ang dami? Pero before 5 lang. Yan, so 5 lang yan natin. 5 lang ilagay natin. Okay, so ito siya. Okay, ano man yung nalagay natin sa product description. Yan. Okay, so 5. Okay, model number, let's say KT123. Okay, model name, generic. Okay, manufacturer, let's say China. Okay, then let's go to offer. Select offer. mawawala naman yan pag na-fill-upan nyo na ako. Let's say for example, yung mga may red quantity, 1, magkano siya? Let's say 14.99. Yan. Okay, and then dito, pipili kayo kung, okay, I will ship this item myself or fulfilled by Amazon. Yan. So as you can see, meron na ditong option kung fulfilled by merchant or fulfilled by Amazon. Okay? Yan. So let's say fulfilled by Amazon. Yan. Okay? And then, pupunta tayo sa product details. Yan. So, oops, sorry. Ito pala yung condition niya is, let's say, new. Yan. Alright. So, new. Para mawala yung kanyang exclamation or warning. Okay? So, ayan. So, dito, yan. So, let's say, yung, yan, mga kailangan nyo lang ano yan. Stainless steel. Sabihin natin. Number 1. Sabihin mo. Item name. Okay. So, pwede tayong lagay natin yung product item. Okay? Yan. Sa item name. Para hindi tayo malito. Okay. Product item. Okay. Then color, sabihin natin na black handle, size. Okay. So, gawin natin ganito. So, dapat lang lahat is meron. Yan, ang mga pula na yan. 1. Hand wash. Para makaproceed tayo sa susunod na. Okay, blade material natin. Ito for kitchen life lang to 50, sabihin mo na inches. Okay, yan. Alright. Then safety and compliance. Siyempre. Kailangan fill upan natin din to. Dangerous good. Not applicable. Sabihin natin. Then liquid, siyempre wala. Item weight. So let's say 1.2. Okay. Sabihin natin pounds. Then mandatory. Sabihin natin. Okay. No warning applicable. Okay. Alright. So yan. Then let's go to images. Alright. So dito guys, dito tayo mag-upload ng mga image. Okay. Nandiyan si main image. Okay, yung lifestyle, product images, and yung infographics. Okay, so dito, kahit 7 lang. Okay, pero maximum of 9 pwede natin ilagay. Alright, there we go. Alright, and then the shipping. Okay, so ito na yung mga package length niya. So let's say 10 package inches. So, na lang natin. Fill outan lang natin for the sake of example. Okay. 0.65, okay, and then 1, okay, and then save and yan. Okay, yan. Hindi siya ma-save and finish kasi nga mali yung, okay, mali yung kanyang UPC. So, in-invento lang naman natin yan. Okay, but there you go guys. Okay, so yan yung mga kailangan nyo lang na yan, kailangan nyo lang na lagyan or tandaan. Okay, so yan lang yan. Right, so let's say dito is 50. Okay, lagyan lang natin para matanggal yung kanyang, okay, yung product identity. Alright. So, there you go guys. So, yan yung mga kailangan nyo. So, again, product identity. Okay. Vital info, offer. Okay, product details where you can see yung ito yung item name, dito yung product title natin. The vital info and then see product description, bullet points and other stuff. The variation if there is. Safety and healthy compliance tab, and then the images tab. Okay? Yan. So once everything is okay dito kasi since this is just for example, okay, you can hit save and finish, and then after that, we will just wait for 30 minutes. Okay? 30 minutes, and then pag wala siyang error message, you will see the product listing. Okay? Alright. So once na okay na siya, okay, so let's say example, okay na ang ating product listing. Okay, so as you can see, ito siya. This one is a good product listing. Edit lang natin. Since meron na siya, kompleto na siya sa information. Okay, so andyan si vital info. Okay, si variation, wala siyang variation. Si offer, okay. Si compliant, okay. And si images, okay, andyan yung mga images natin. Description, okay, we're done with the description as well. Okay. Then, pag active na or pagka, not necessarily, pagka active na or pag na approve na ang listing natin, you will have another tab which is yung keywords. Okay, sa keywords tab, dito na lalagay ang ating search term or what we call the ating back-end search term or back-end keywords. Diyan natin siya ilalagay. Okay? Yan, there you go. So, kailangan natin fill out ando lahat, okay, for optimization process. Okay? Yan. All right. So, yeah, I guess that's it for the product listing. Okay? And yep. And yeah, I think if you don't have any issue or concern, just feel free to park down your question. Okay, please disregard this. So, product listing to. Okay, create product listing. And so if you do have any question and clarification, you can ask me during the live session. All right. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye-bye.